Make a great choice today with the 2018 Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: touring suspension, electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, fog lights, roof rack, four-wheel disc brakes, Sirius satellite radio, heated front seats, tachometer. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.